Hey YouTube, it's your girl Sheila J, and I'm back at you with another video. And this video is going to be a little different. I'm currently recording this video at work, so I decided that on Mondays from here on out it's going to be Model Mondays. Basically, it's me giving models advice, and the kind of advice that I wish I had when I first started modeling and being in the business. I know a lot of people, or a lot of girls and models, don't really know the ins and outs of the industry, what it really takes to be in the industry, the fashion industry, the modeling industry, and what really goes in to being a model. So I decided that on Mondays, it's going to be Model Mondays, where I give you guys advice, and you guys can put in the description, put in the comments below any questions that you guys want me to answer, anything that you guys want me to cover, basically throughout the week. So I'm basically giving you all the tips and tools that you guys need to be successful models every Monday. So stay tuned for all of that. In the interim, I am going to be launching model coaching on my site. I'm SheilaJ.com, where you guys can book me as your model coach. And aside from that, I'm also a photographer, so if you guys need headshots or anything, you guys can also book me for that as well. But for the most part, stay tuned for Model Mondays. This is just my intro video for the Model Mondays, so I am gonna be doing my first advice video for next Monday, and it'll be up next Monday. Whether or not I know what the time is, I have no idea, but yeah, I love the lighting in here.